Yes, yes.
So this is the scope. Okay. Organization context, company profile, what the company is about, ABC private limited. Okay. Functions have come in the scope. See, first thing that we have captured is the functions. What all functions are in the scope. Second thing that we have captured, what Srinath mentioned, products and services. Okay. This is up to you whether you want to capture it or not, but it's already a good practice. Some companies do that. Okay. So that's why we kept it here. But it's internal and external issues are not a part of the scope. Okay. They're just referenced here. That's it. These are the third parties which are part of the scope again. Okay. These are their customers, employers, third party, regulatory bodies, shareholders. All these are part of the scope that we have covered. These are the compliances that they are in the scope. Okay. Out of scope. Out of scope is called exclusion. Everybody clear? And in the scope, what are the five things that we discuss?